And we're back to exploring AI. Let me show you how you can create these simple image animations. It's a short def animation, and the tool that I've used is pretty straightforward, easy to understand. It's not fully free, which is why I've put the disclaimer in the video title, but you can use it for free. Just import an image, for example this one, and it's going to get processed directly. In a few seconds you've got your results. Animation style, you can adjust it right here. The depth map is currently unavailable, but don't worry too much about it, everything else works just fine. By the way, I'm going to link to this tool in the video description. The animation style is directly visible, so everything that you adjust here is a click and see thing. You can directly adjust it as you go, which makes this tool so easy to use. Animation length, it slows it down or speeds it up. Amount of motion, you can adjust it and make this circle animation smaller or bigger. You can adjust the focus point to closer or far away. And then there are some more, I would say, advanced adjustments for the axis of the animation. You can see I have 500 credits. I just signed up, and this is what you get by default. You can buy new ones, and this is the paid part of this app. Currently 1000 credits cost you $10. But as I've said, good news, you can use it for free if you now export it up here. There are free versions. MP4 up to 720p is free. Only if you want to have the original size as an MP4, you have to pay 20 credits. So what was it, 1000, $10, so 100 is $1, and therefore it's 20 cents for each of these if you want to pay. But the free version works. Let me just show you. I'll save it. It's all done in a couple of seconds. Here it is already. Let me open it and apply it in the Windows Media Player. The animation is not fully seamless. So if I make this a repeat, let me do that and I play it. You can see at around 4 seconds, there's a little bit of a jump, but for a free tool, I think there's a cool result, and you can definitely use this for Twitter or X. Once again, link to the app is in the video description. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.